Sales is one of the only professions where the amount of work you put in reciprocates to the amount that you get paid. Would you agree with that?
No.
No.
And here's why. I'd put a major asterisk on that. The amount of skillful work that you do reciprocates. And this is
Right.
why, for the most part, and I'm not trying to hurt anybody's feelings, I cannot stand door-to-door salespeople. Because, and I'm sure there's some good ones out there, but for the most part, they're not skillful. They're just going to bang on doors with a really clever comeback. There's a lot of sales coaches out there that got their start in door-to-door sales. And if they're telling you, hey, if you put on an orange vest, they'll think you're a construction worker. That's no way to really, truly be successful. Okay?
Right.
So, yeah, I can work hard and bang on 10,000 doors and maybe have a couple people that answered the door because they thought I was a city employee because I'm wearing high vis yellow. But am I going to go to bed feeling good?